Has anyone taught you how to rewire your brain? Now, you may be wondering, what is that? What is she talking about? Why do I need to do that? I've never heard of it. Well, my name is Renee with the DIY Mental Boost, and I am about to tell you that you actually have heard of it. Have you ever heard the expression, you cannot always control your circumstances, but you can control your responses? Or you reap what you sow? Or how about if you fall off a horse, get back up on it? Or even, have you heard the expression, hey, don't worry about it, don't stress about it, it's going to make it worse? Or even the expression, it's all in your head? Well, all of those expressions are exactly what I am talking about. Taking control of your mind and regulating how it is responding to your circumstances. The only thing is that no one ever tells you how to do that, how to use what they're saying, how to actually not stress. Well, when you do a brain rewire, that is what you're able to do. You're able to help your brain to wrap around anything. And if you'd like to learn more about this, just click and check out the information.